Bagai, a big decision being taken by the DCGI. Latest news coming in that Covaxin has been given a stamp of approval. The trials will be now conducted for teenagers and young children between the age of 2 and 18 years. Your first thoughts on this decision being taken by the DCGI, and how safe are these vaccines for young children in India?
So I think this is an excellent move. This is a much awaited move in the correct direction. Internationally, these trials have already been completed for an age group of 12 to 18 for both the mRNA vaccines. The initial trial was for 1,300 children, and only 0.1% had minor reactions, no deaths, no hospitalizations. And the second trial internationally is being conducted for 6,750 children, right from 6 months of age till 12 years of age. Those trials also will be completed soon with excellent results so far. So I think the children comprise of almost 35% of the Indian population. So far they are totally protected and vulnerable because they are not been vaccinated. At some point of time they have to go back to the schools and colleges and educational institutions. So it's extremely important to protect them, knowing fully well that children carry an equal viral load as adults. Most of them, majority of them, 65-70% of the children are asymptomatic, but they actually act as reservoirs, and we call them as the triple S, which is silent super spreaders. They can transmit the infection 17 times more in closed environments. They can potentially then infect the teachers and the lecturers in education institutions, parents, grandparents at home, and community at large. So I think this is a very, very good move. We should push this aggressively. It will take a period of 2.5, 3 months to get the safety and immunogenicity profiles and data. And I think as soon as it will be ready for data review, I'm sure we will have this in the next 2 or 3 months for mass use in children in the age group of 2 years and above.
Absolutely. Even the United States now has begun vaccinating the teenagers as well. And we're looking at many other countries also mulling the same as well. You know, your
Correct.
first, what are your thoughts on the efficacy of these vaccines? Now, for example, for now, Covaxin has been given approval. We're yet to see other vaccines also applying for the same.
Yes, I think most of the vaccines now will go on to a younger age group. So I think the trials generally begin from 18 and above. Initially, then it is 12 to 18. And now the mRNA vaccines in US and in most Western countries are being tried from 6 months up to 5 years, 5 years to 11 years, and already 12 to 18 has been already licensed to be used. So we know that the results have been very, very good so far in the clinical trials with no safety issues at all and no side effects. So I'm sure that Covaxin, knowing the platform, is a very robust and immunogenicity boosting platform, which will give strength not only to the B cells, which is the neutralizing antibodies, but also to the cell-mediated immunity, which is the T cells. So I have no reason to disbelieve that it's going to be hugely successful, and it will protect the largest section of the Indian population, which is children.
Right, Doctor. Can Covaxin be the biggest game changer for teenagers? We'll have to wait and see that. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast.
Thank you. Thank you.